You know, when you've lived here your entire life, it really is easy to underappreciate a place like this because you just become so accustomed to it. But the reality is, if you just stop for a second and take a look, this place really is beautiful, man. Well, that pretty much brings our video to an end. Thank you for joining me. It's been a pleasure making the video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'm excited to see where the adventure takes us next time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.